Hi, my name is Fahad, and I'm going to show you how to automate affiliate payouts using PayPal. Now, High Level has added the feature to use PayPal to send payouts to your affiliates, and that makes it a lot easier for the affiliate program managers and even the affiliates to receive the payments. And let me show you how to add the PayPal email so that you can receive the payouts through the PayPal. So first of all, click on Marketing tab, click on Affiliate Manager, and then click on Affiliate Program. So when you come to this window, you need to click on the name of the affiliate, and this window will pop up. And if you scroll down, you can see the payment methods here, right here, the methods. You can click on it, and in here, you can see the add payment method option. Click on the add payment method option, and this is where you can put the PayPal email of your affiliate, and then just simply click done, and that will be added. Now, let's have a look on how the affiliates can add the PayPal payment methods from their client portal. So let's have a look. So I'm here in the affiliate portal, and in here you will see this screen. So from here, you need to click on the commissions tab right over here at the top corner. And when you come here, you can click on this add payment method button. And this is where you can put your own PayPal email account so that you can receive payments in your PayPal account. And then you can click on the done button, and that's all that you need to know. So this is how you can add the payment method to receive payments via PayPal. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.